Open the sort chamber sliding door. Open the sort protection door to access the nozzle module. Remove the nozzle module by pushing the metal release clamps inward. The following is the O-ring. The O-ring, 1, of the nozzle module is replaceable if the O-ring is damaged. It is recommended to replace the O-ring every month. Note: 10 spare O-rings are supplied in the CytoFLEX SRT accessory box. Pull out the O-ring from the nozzle using pointed tweezers or a pin. Ensure that the groove of O-ring is free of debris. Ensure that the bigger circle of the O-ring faces down and the O-ring is fully in the groove. Press the O-ring into the groove with a clean swab until the O-ring is completely seated into the groove. Here is the nozzle module. Use the dedicated tool to compress the nozzle spring all the way down to its limit and slide the nozzle out. Insert the nozzle with the O-ring facing up into the slot of the nozzle holder. Slide the nozzle to its end and release the spring slowly. Insert the nozzle module carefully into the sorter with the up symbol facing up. The nozzle module is locked into its position when you hear a click. Close the sort protection door. Close the sort chamber sliding door.